Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ika Rizky Marjagiani from English Language Education Department of Winsunan Ampel, Surabaya. Here, I would like to present about my research proposal entitled A Comparison Study of Grammatical Error in Writing between Students in English Club and Students in the Classroom at SMKN 2 Buturan, Sidoarjo. Background of study. First, the difficulties of writing. Writing is a complicated thing to do, yet it's so difficult. Stated by Palmer, 1994, writing is difficult to learn because the author should utilize a process that includes planning, organizing, and revising to present meaning in words form. Second, the role of grammar in writing. Writing cannot be separated from grammar because grammatical rules are one of the important aspects that learners must follow when they start writing something. As the statement from Sean, 1998, grammar is the rule that says how words are changed to show meaning and they combine into sentences. In this research, there are two research questions. The first one is what types of grammatical error were found in students writing at English Club and English Classroom. The second one is who is the most and the less students produce grammatical error in writing. Based on those research questions, the objective of the study are to find the types of grammatical error made by students and also to find which one of the students produced the most and the less of grammatical error in writing. Literature review. Error. An error is a systematic deviation which the student still can do it repeatedly. As is stated by Brown, 1980, an error is a noticeable deviation from the adult grammar of a native speaker. Grammatical error. There are 4 categories there, but the researchers will only use the survey strategy taxonomy and comparative taxonomy in finding the types of grammatical error from the students' writing, because only those are related to the study. Writing. The definition of writing have explained by many experts. One of them is Harmer, 2011. He describes writing as a way of communication by transforming the writer's thought, ideas, observations, findings, and informations into a written form of language so it can be shared and read by other people. The characteristic of writing. There are some of characteristic. The first one is permanence, explicit, densities, detachment, organization, slowing of production, standard language, and the last one is a learned skill. And the last one is the process. There are some categories in the process of writing. The first one is planning, and then drafting, and then editing. In editing, the writer can do reflecting and revising, and the last one is final version. Genre of text. There are some genres of text explained by many researchers, from analytical exposition text, discussion text, procedure text, anecdote text, narrative text, recount text, etc. The preview study. The analysis of grammatical errors in recount text by Jannatul Laili Novia Bahari. She found out that the students still produce a lot of errors, and she found out that there were 300,036 grammatical error finding. The second is a study of error analysis of second class of SMA Muhammadiyah 2 Pucang, Surabaya in paragraph writing by Anissa Herawati. In this research, she used triangulation research design, and for the result of the study, it also shows that the students still make a lot of errors. The last one is an analysis of grammatical error in students' English writing in argumentative text, a case study in the second year of 11th grade of Madrasah Aliyah Pembangunan UIN Jakarta by Mawadah ZA. The study is done to identify what kinds of grammatical errors were commonly made by the students, with the result is the most error made by students of 11 Science 1 of Madrasah Aliyah Pembangunan UIN is in verb tenses, which caused by intralingual transfer. Research method. research design. In this study, researcher will use descriptive quantitative research because, as it called a comparison study between two communities, Creswell 2008 stated that quantitative research is intended for testing relationship between variables. So in this research, there are two variables, data and source of data. The data is from students writing, and the source of data are students who join English Club and students who don't join English Club in a classroom at SMKN 2 Buduran, Sidoarjo. Data collection technique. To collect the data, researcher will use document paper gathered from the students writing in English Club and also the students from classroom. And the next is instrument. The instrument which will use by researcher is observation checklist, and the last one is data analysis. The researcher will only focus on students' grammatical error, which will analyze based on the step like collection of a sample of learner language, and then identification of errors, and then description of errors, and then explanation of errors. After analyzing based on the steps, researcher starts to compare and calculate the grammatical errors made two different communities of students using SPPS to answer the second research questions. The result will be explained descriptively by the researcher. That's all from my presentation of research proposal. Thank you for listening, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.